Welcome to PACE, and welcome to the PACE Library. My name is Sarah Burns-File, and I'm Head of Teaching and Learning Services at the library. My pronouns are she, her. You can contact me via email at sburnsfile@pace.edu. You can also follow the library on social media, on Twitter and Instagram, at PACE Library. The PACE Library has 3 physical locations: the Beekman Library in New York City, the Mortola Library in Pleasantville, and the Law Library in White Plains. You're welcome to visit any of our library locations in person, and you will find people there available to help. Of course, you can also access the library online at Library.Pace.edu. The library website gives you access to our ebooks, our research databases. You can get help with your research questions, and of course you get news and updates from the library too. In addition to the main library website, we've created a research guide for public administration students, and that's available at libguides.pace.edu/MPA. It's also available from the library website, and I'll show you how to get there. Let's take a look at the library website. On the library website, check today's hours at the bottom left. On the bottom right, we have the Ask a Librarian button, which gives you options for getting help from the library. You can use our live chat, you can send us an email, you can get the number to text us. All your options for contacting us and getting help are under that Ask a Librarian button. The main section of the library website is this search widget in the middle of the page. The 3 areas you'll probably spend most of your time in are books and media, journal title, and databases. Books and media tells you what books are on the shelves in the PACE Library physical locations, and it tells you what ebooks are available to read online. So for example, if I search for the phrase public administration, it'll run a search and it will tell me what books are available on the shelves, or I can tell the system to limit just to ebooks if that's what I want. So on the left, I can use that menu and I can click ebook. I would also recommend using the publication year limiter and limiting to whichever time frame is appropriate for your research question. You can see now we have a number of ebooks available that you can read online. To read the ebooks, you will be asked to log in with your PACE username and password. The Journal Title tab on the library homepage is where you can type in the title of a publication, a specific publication, and find out if we subscribe. So for example, if I type in the Journal of Public Administration, you can see that there is a Journal of Public Administration available from 2020 to the present in our Gale Academic One File database. And if we scroll down, you can see it did a keyword search. And so it's showing me other journals that have those words in the title. So the Scandinavian Journal of Public Administration, the Journal of Public Administration and Governance, the Journal of Public Administration, Finance and Law. So you can see all these different journal titles, and for each one, you're getting specific information about where is that journal contained or made available. So for example, the Journal of Public Administration, Finance and Law is available in the Academic Search Ultimate database from 2014 to the present. If I click on that link, I'll be able to use the years or the volume and issue link on the right and browse, or I can use this link that says search within this publication, and it will set me up so that I could do a keyword search in this particular journal. So that's the journal title search. The Databases tab tells you what research databases are available in different subject areas. So if I go to the subject menu and I choose Public Administration and click Go, it will show me a list of all the databases that contain journals or publications or information related to the field of public administration. So you can see we have a variety of databases available for you there. So that's books and media, journal title, and databases. Now I had mentioned the research guide that we had created for the MPA students. So if you click on the Research Guides tab and then browse all guides, you'll see a list of subjects. And if we scroll down to public administration, you can see there are 2 research guides available. There's a general guide for MPA students, and then there's a second guide that's very specific for nonprofit research. So keep that in mind for the future. The general public administration MPA research page does give you, there is some overlap with the library website, but there's also some unique information here, recommended websites, information about the thesis, so a little bit more detail about what the library can provide for you in the MPA program. So there are tabs on the left you can use to navigate. Searching the journal literature, again, shows you the different databases we have and also recommends some specific journals that you might want to use for your research. The Finding Books tab gives you a little refresher on using that Books and Media tab on the library homepage. Citing and Avoiding Plagiarism gives you information about how to cite your sources. And then Websites does give you a few recommended websites. So this is the Public Administration Research Guide, which is in addition to having access to the main library website, where you can, of course, use all of our different research tools available to you. Keep up with the library, get updates to our hours, our resources, and our services by following us on Instagram or Twitter @Pace Library. And if you remember nothing else from this presentation, remember that we are here to help. Go to the library homepage at Library.Pace.edu and you can click on that Ask a Librarian button. You're also welcome to email me directly, and if I don't know the answer to your question, I'll find somebody who does. Welcome to PACE and welcome to the PACE Library.